Viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Today we're gonna show you how to make fusilli pasta with chicken, carrot, tomatoes and garlic. It's beautiful, wonderful family meal. It's very quick and very fast. Let's start. Viewers, we got some water. We're gonna put some salt in it. Enough salt so it's gonna be salty. And we will put a little bit of olive oil to it. Now I'm going to put my pasta. The water is boiling. It takes about 6 to 8 minutes to cook. Now on a separate pan, we're going to make the base for the pasta or the sauce for the pasta. At first, we're going to put some extra virgin olive oil. Don't be stingy with it. You need quite a bit of it, so it's going to be coating with the pastas. Let it to hot. Viewers, we got some chicken here. It's fillet of chickens. We cut them in a very thin strips. Now I'm going to marinate them. I'm going to put some salt, enough salt. We're going to add a little bit of garlic ginger. It's basically equal amount of garlic, equal amount of ginger, and you're going to mix them, blend them well with water. And I'm going to put a little bit of turmeric to it. Now we're going to mix them well. Now we're going to put our chicken in the well. We put all our chicken there. It's going to take about 4 to 5 minutes until they are cooked through. My pasta is cooking away as well. Viewers, my chicken are cooked. Now we're going to take it out from the pan. Viewers, in this pan we got lots of flavor from the chicken. We're going to add a bit more oil to it. We'll add our garlic. Now I'm going to add my onion. We got some celery, carrot, I will season them now with a bit of salt, plenty of black pepper. Viewers, we're checking our pasta now. Let's see if they cook through. My pastas, they are al dente, we call them. They got tiny bit of bite in them, so they are perfectly done. Let's drain them. Viewers, now we're gonna add our tomatoes to it. Viewers, with this we're gonna add 1 spoon of curry powder. That brings some beautiful aroma and flavor to my pasta. If you fancy some chili, feel free to do that now, but I'm gonna leave it out. Now I'm gonna add my chicken. Now we add our chicken to it. Mix them well. Viewers, we're gonna add a little bit of water. Viewers, now I'm going to add my pasta. Viewers, my beautiful pasta is done. Now it's time to serve. Look at that, how yummy and delicious it looks. Let's serve it. Viewers, look at my beautiful pasta. Wow, they looks yummy and delicious. If you got some cheese, Parmigiano cheese, you can sprinkle on top and it's going to be beautiful and delicious. Enjoy and bon appetit, my yummy pasta.